racing. Thank you to this Instagram user for the photo.
That is the perfect lap.
Let's see what happens.
I'm yelling because I ran a 68, which is my fastest time of the day, the last lap. So, all in all, a good day racing. Got another discipline under my belt, racing Rallycross, and the Crown Vic handled it really well. It was really good on consumables and really cheap to race. Really good fun. So if you like what you saw and you want to see some more racing content, check out the YouTube channel, Dropping Hammers, and subscribe for some more racing content. We're going drifting, we're going road racing. Check it out. Rest of the video is just some media that I captured while I was spectating the SCCA Rallycross event here in San Diego. Just in case you see yourself perhaps, or just if you want to check it out, here's some of the media from the course and what it looks like to race. The song is Arrow by Humming, Humming on SoundCloud.
Oh yeah, this guy's fun. Oh, this guy's good too. Oh, this thing's the coolest. Drift Camaro. Yeah! Turbos! Oh my gosh! Oh, you see that over there? Hey, get out of here, you. I'm just barreling through the finish line. Holy smokes.
A thank you to Mary Build, merrily building your dreams, a family-owned construction company serving San Diego area, specializing in ADUs, additions, and new construction. If you have any construction needs in the San Diego area, give them a call, 760-470-2107. And we'll see you on the next race day. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Like and subscribe. Unless you don't want to, it's fine.